Change happens all around us. But is it changing for the better? Rebirth starts with a single piece of paper. Observe it. The touch sparks creativity a screen cannot replicate. Turn it over. The friction of finger against page fuels our inspiration.
電子機器というとクールで冷たい印象があると思いますが、温かみのある印象に変わったらいいなと思いました。
It is more than an experiment for us, but a link to discover a sustainable future design for younger generations. We strive to find the right material, eco-friendly, clean, minimal environmental impact.
We are able to develop products which have the same performance as materials from fossil-based sources, which means they meet the highest standards. As compared to fossil-based alternatives, our materials offer similar performance, but they do provide a 2 kilogram CO2 reduction per kilogram of our alkaline material.
Engraved, melted, painted, and etched into its essence, refined by the burning embers of the mind, paper awakens reborn.
纸就是纸，它既不是玻璃，也不是金属，它有自己独特的质感。我们经过上百种组合验证，最终在生物基材料上雕刻出5612条纹理，并在表面加入特殊触感的水晶粉材料，极致地呈现出纸应该有的样子。
And this is just the beginning. With Realme, we are entering a new era, where less is more, nature is our partner, and the pursuit of greatness leads our way to a better future. The rebirth of a piece of paper. Realme GT2 series.